Hello and welcome here. In previous video we have done multi-level here and we will do here multiple. I have not deleted any code of previous video so that we can start with this video and script and we can save the time. Now in multiple inheritance on this third class we will assess this both. Here we will delete this and here we can pass simply to class like this. We can make like comma and this. Here we have to pass define, we have to make this constructor of this also here and this. Let's run and see it what we will get here and run it. Let's check this. Now I have get the error here. Yes, I have get the error here. We don't need to define here self.v here, and I will make self dot b is equal to b. Let's run it first, and now here it is giving me get. We should not use this get here, we have to pass here 20 only because we have deleted that function here. Let's see, drive 2 has no attribute b here, so we can make here, I think here we can pass here 30. Let's see, and to initiate is taking 2 positional argument, we are passing 3 here because itself will take 1 argument here and this 2. Let's make the class again. This is, I am illustrating it like this, drive 2 and I will pass 30 here. It should be b, it is giving us a. Let's not make anything here, we are passing this self here, and let's make this similar. We will make same all the code similar. Let's run it. We are getting yes, we are getting here. But if I made the class of drive here, it will not access b base because here this drive class is accessing this both class. Now in previous, in multi-level inheritance, if I made the class of object of drive here, it could access base, but in this video, in this class, it will not access that. Let's see in previous, like the previous video. Let's make it like for previous video. I will make object 1 of is equal to drive and I will pass 30. Let's see, I will print only object bj1 dot put. I will not access this here because I don't need here, and I will make this variable. Let's run and see this. It should give me an answer. As it is giving, I have printing this put at the first time as a 30, and I am getting this, but this variable is 30 here because we are getting object 30 will be of this object, not of this object. This object are different for different. But now I will show you, we will assess same this here, but now I will make this here, and let's see, it will give error for us. Has no object, has no parameter. This has no parameter, we should pass object, and we can print only this derived class. This is how we can make the inheritance in Python. This is the object oriented session of Python. In next video we will learn about other feature of Python object oriented programming. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet at next video. Thank you, and stay with us.